Calibrating the server timeout on your Nintendo Switch can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring a stable connection. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Access System Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Nintendo Switch and select the System Settings icon. This is represented by a gear icon located at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Select Internet. In the System Settings menu, scroll down and select Internet. This section contains all the settings related to your network connection. Step 3. Choose Internet Settings. Within the Internet menu, select Internet Settings. This will allow you to view and manage your current network connections. Step 4. Configure Connection. Choose your current Wi-Fi network from the list of available connections. Once selected, you'll see options to change various settings related to your connection. Step 5. Adjust Timeout Settings. Look for the option that allows you to adjust the server timeout settings. Depending on your connection and preferences, set the timeout duration to a value that suits your gaming needs, then save your changes. After completing these steps, your Nintendo Switch should be calibrated for optimal server timeout. Enjoy your gaming!